Okay, the Apple Mac Pro 2020, just bought it a couple of days ago, has some problems with the sound. In fact, had problems with the right-hand speaker that seemed to crackle. And it was really annoying. I was going to take it back to the Apple shop, but I did a little bit of research and I found a really simple solution. And the solution is by simply going to your system preferences first of all. And hopefully that will pop up on the screen just in a moment or two. Okay, coming up soon, there we go. Now just go and click sound. And you can see that and go to sound effects, and you can see that it's on blow, but it may be on funk. So change it from funk to BLOW, blow. And that seems to resolve the crackle. It really is as simple as that. And that makes all this disappear. There is another way that you can do, and you can go into disk utility. Now I did this first of all, and I just did first aid basically on all the drives. That didn't seem to fix the problem. The computer said everything was fine. So again, quite simple. All I did was go to system preferences, go to sound, change it from funk that it may be on, and put it into blow. I don't use sound effects anyhow. And there, it's not going to make that crackle, or like the hiss in the background. Pretty simple stuff to do, really. If it does still crackle, there is another solution, and you have to go to audio devices, but that's one for another video another time. And thank you so much for the time. Do stay to the end, just a couple of seconds more, because it will tell you how to subscribe, like and share. My name is James. Do have a safe day. Bye-bye for now. If you follow the link in the description below, you can get to my channel, and there you can subscribe, and you can comment, and you can like with a thumbs up. And also the bell notification will let you know when a new video comes along. Thank you for your time.